1. Identify your target audience. Determine who your target audience is. Are you catering to new e-commerce entrepreneurs, established online businesses, or a specific niche? 2. Choose your platform. Decide where you'll share your tips. Common platforms include a blog, YouTube, social media, e.g., Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, podcasts, or webinars. Choose a format that suits your expertise and the preferences of your audience. 3. Research and stay informed. Stay updated with the latest e-commerce trends, tools, and best practices. Regularly read e-commerce blogs, industry reports, and follow influencers in the field. 4. Plan your content. Outline your content strategy. Decide on the topics you want to cover, the frequency of your posts, and the format, videos, articles, infographics, etc. 5. Create high-quality content. Produce informative, well-researched, and engaging content. Your tips should be actionable and provide real value to your audience. 6. Use clear and concise language. Make sure your tips are easy to understand. Avoid jargon or overly technical language, unless your target audience is more advanced. 7. Incorporate visuals. Visual content such as images, infographics, and videos can help illustrate your tips and make them more engaging. 8. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and content to improve discoverability. 9. Engage with your audience. Encourage comments, questions, and feedback from your audience. Respond to their inquiries and engage in meaningful conversations. 10. Promote your tips. Share your e-commerce tips on social media, relevant online communities, and email newsletters to reach a wider audience. 11. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with experts and influencers in the e-commerce industry. Guest posts, interviews, and partnerships can help expand your reach.